Hello students, good morning to all of you. In the last class we have completed chapter 12. That means we have completed our syllabus for midterm examination. I hope all of you got the syllabus for your midterm examination and you have to take preparation. Those are the chapters I have given a syllabus. So please practice, go through your text first, then try to get the concept clearly. In case any doubt regarding any concept, or if you have any doubt regarding any question from any exercise, you can ask me. Okay, so today I am going to take a class test from chapter 4, linear equation in two variables. Full marks 10. Okay, all the best. Class test chapter 4, full marks 10, subject mathematics. Question number 1, if the point 3, 4 lies on the graph of the equation 3y is equal to x plus 7, find the value of a. Write for solution of the equation x plus y is equal to 4. Question number 3, find the value of k if x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to k. Here x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. Okay, then we need to find the value of k for this equation. Question number 4, draw the graph of the equation. Okay, you need to use graph. Okay, otherwise you can make graph, means you can make some lines, x-axis, y-axis, copy by using pencil and scale, or if you have graph, then you can do it on the graph. Understood? Question number 5, express x in terms of y for equation x by 4 minus 3y is equal to 7. Here there are how many questions? There are 5 questions and each question has 2 marks. Then 2 5 ja total 10 marks. I mean to say, this is 2, this is 2, this question also have 2 marks, 2, and this is 2. The 2 5 ja total marks is 10. Now about the timing, see, your class time is 45 minutes. So I think tomorrow your class hour for mathematics is 11:45 to 12:30. So during this time you have to complete these answers, means you have to write the answers for these questions and submit it before 12:30. Understood? Before 12:30. Don't submit after 12:30. I will not accept. Clear? One more thing, that you need to write all the questions. Okay, write the questions, means question number 1, then write the answer, question number 2, then write the answer, question number 3, then write the answer, like that. Understood? I am not saying that you need to go serially. Suppose from this question, first of all you want to write question number 4. Okay, you write question number 4, write the question, then write the answer, like that. Then question number, in the next question, suppose you want to write question number 2, then question number 2, write the answer, like that. For every answer you need to write the question and submit it before 12:30. Okay, best of luck. Thank you.